Hi, I'm Shiny Joji and I'm from the Powai Parish. Myself and my family, we are a family of four. Me, my husband Joji Joseph, my two girls, Elishma and Mirel. So I'm here to actually testify the biggest miracle of my life. When we adopted our first child 14 years back, almost 14 years back. And the journey starts somewhere in 2005 when I had my first conception. But things didn't go the way we wanted it to, that we would normally want it to go. Somewhere in the seventh month, we realized that things were not normal with the baby. Nevertheless, we decided to go with the pregnancy, and I did have a baby girl. But those were the toughest period of my life. It was very, very challenging, and we could not really handle it. And that's probably why Jesus decided to handle it himself, and he took it away from us. But that definitely left a big void in our life. We wanted to have a baby of our own first to think about, and to love. And we started going to the doctors like every other couple. We were young. I was just 26. My husband was 30. We went to the doctors with all our reports, trying to find out what actually went wrong. And towards the end of it, we came to a conclusion that we have around only 25% chances of everything being normal and to have a healthy baby. That's when we decided that we will we will apply for adoption. Very frankly speaking, I didn't want my womb to be used for any other purpose but to nourish a newborn. So there we were. We decided to adopt, and by God's grace, we're so blessed. We were blessed by our wonderful parents on both the sides. Our family supported us thoroughly. They were very clear, it's our baby, it is our responsibility, whether it is biological or adopted, it doesn't matter. So we went to the adoption center, we applied, and things worked so miraculously for us. Like we had applied for adoption somewhere in Jan, and we got a baby home in March. That fast things went. So the provision of God was there with us all the time. And not that we didn't get ourselves counseled. We went to people, we spoke to counselors before we took the decision. And most people had few common sets of questions around neighbors and friends. And people said that an adopted child will come with its own set of challenges. And I remember thinking over it very, very logically. And it wasn't that we've seen people with having biological children and no challenges. That would be probably a very unique thing. So every child comes with its own set of challenges: teenage challenge, toddler challenge, different vices, peer group, peer pressure. They will go through it. And myself and my husband decided whatever it is, we will deal with it just like any other parents, irrespective of a biological child or an adopted child. So that was it. It was very clear that we will handle it like any other parents. Somewhere after 8 years, so we got my daughter Elishma home, and life changed for us. I mean, I literally stopped, my tears literally stopped coming, which they used to automatically come before. And we got so busy taking care of her, like any other family. It was never different. And somewhere after 8.5, 9 years, I conceived again, and that was by itself another miracle in my life. Of course, I was a little nervous. I was very nervous, in fact, because I would have to go through tests and the decision would be mine. Nevertheless, I mean, I can't thank God enough that He didn't put me to test and He delivered me. Everything about the baby in my womb was perfect. All the reports came in our favor, and I had my second child in 2015, and we named her Mirel, which means miracle. because she was really a miracle in our life. And you know, people will say different things, but ultimately it's your decision, and it's not been any different for us. And I'm sure God will give His provision and His insight if you take that decision. Just keep your eyes and ears open for His clues, you know, for His signs that He will put across to you. Thank you.